if you suffer from a lot of gas, bloating, flatulence, burping, belching, distension in your stomach, this video is going to give you some basic information that what are some of the basic causes of too much gas or flatulence in your stomach, and how we can improve this condition using some top grade natural or holistic remedies. So if you suffer from this condition, this video is going to give you some basic insight, so please watch until end. So today we'll talk about what are some of the best things that can help with the bloating. But please make sure to avoid anything which you are intolerant to, and also speak to doctor or health provider before you make any changes in your treatment plan. Right, so basically there are two primary causes of abdominal bloating. One, imbalance or too much disturbed bacteria in your intestines, or air swallowed or gulped by your mouth during eating, etc. Bloating or distension is the sensation of excess stomach gas that has not yet been released, and that the stomach feels too much full or tight. Did you know that a healthy person passes gas on average about 20 times a day? But sometimes that can be unpleasant, uncomfortable, painful, or really embarrassing. Gas in our digestive system is part of the normal process of digestion, and it is considered to be a normal process, and it's a good sign. And there are mainly two causes for having too much gas. One, the kind of foods we eat, and the way we eat. So these are two primary reasons for having too much abdominal gas or bloating. Now these are some of the foods which are considered as gas inducing foods, such as high fiber foods like beans, pulses, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, onions, fruits, grains, fructose, and prunes, etc. So if you suffer from this disorder or condition, try to avoid these foods as much as possibly you can. Also, some people have habits of overeating, talking while eating, rushing foods, and not chewing properly. That may cause undigested food in their stomach, which can cause something called fermentation, and that can cause inducing of too much gas or bloatedness as well. Also, if you suffer from infections such as yeast or candida infections, and they can also cause too much gas production. People who have got food intolerances or sensitivities or allergies, especially with lactose, wheat, or gluten, or people who suffer from conditions like celiac disease, they are also prone to have too much gas in their abdomen. People who are too much constipated or suffer with chronic constipation, slightly obese, overweight, or also if they take too much stress, they can also be some of the factors for too much gas in your stomach. So try to avoid all these conditions to improve yourself naturally. Also, people who drink too much alcohol, especially red wine and beer, they also tend to have too much gases. Now coming to the solution, what to do to avoid formation of too much gas. So first of all, you need to go for a walk after your meals. So you can go for a walk at least for 10 to 15 minutes after having your meals. Also, if you are too much stressed, try to relax before eating, so manage your stress levels as well. If the gas is very offensive, if it is with a lot of odor or bad smell, try to limit intake of proteins like meat and eggs. Also cut down dairies like cheese. Also stop drinking carbonated drinks, fried food, and also spicy foods, because they all contribute towards the formation of gases. Instead of having large meals, try to eat smaller meals throughout the day in smaller portions. Also, some people, they drink liquids or water or carbonated drinks, especially during their meals. So avoid drinking waters at least 30 minutes before or after meals. If you drink liquids when your meals are there, you lose stomach acids and can't break down the food you eat. So they can hamper, the breaking down of the foods if you drink any kind of drinks or beverages while you're eating. So try to avoid drinking at least half an hour before and after the meals as well. Now this is one of the greatest home remedies if you have tendency of too much gas. So try to add jaggery with fennel seeds in a glass of warm water, especially at bedtime. So it will help not only with your gas formation, but it can also help with the constipation. So if you suffer from chronic constipation, try to include more jaggery and fennel seeds, especially at bedtime, in some lukewarm water. Another great all-round healing herb is known as chamomile tea, and it is excellent tonic for the digestive system because it can help provide antispasmodic and also anti-inflammatory benefits. So try to include more chamomile tea because it is not only helpful for your digestive system, but it's also a great nervine which can also help relax your nervous system and make you calm as well. Green tea, especially with cardamom and aniseed, can also give you great relief from stomach gases as well. So it can be another great addition to your digestive health. Another thing that you can do is to add more cinnamon, because cinnamon can soothe your stomach and also prevent from formation of gases. So simply add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a cup of warm milk, stir it, and just drink it. So you can take 1 cup a day, and that will not only benefit about stomach distension, but cinnamon is also great for lowering your sugar levels. It can also help reduce your cholesterol levels. It's also good for muscles and joints. It is also good for your brain as well. So cinnamon is a great spice in your kitchen, which can be really helpful for various metabolic disorders. Also, you can make your own homemade antacid. So for instant relief from stomach gas, add a small amount of baking soda to a glass of warm milk and put some fresh lemon juice and drink. If you make this drink and if you take it, it will give you quick and instant relief from too much gas in your stomach. Now we'll talk about top 3 homeopathic remedies. So those who trust or who love homeopathy, this section is especially for them, because in homeopathy we have to look at the causative factors, and also we see that what kind of symptoms you have got. So say for example, I've got 5 patients and they all complain about bloatedness or a lot of gas in their stomach, but their medicines, their remedies could be different, because we have to see their individualized history. We'll see that what are their causative factors and what kind of symptoms they are producing, and that is something I'm going to discuss in few slides now, that what are some of the top 6 homeopathic remedies generally used for gas and bloating. But if you have got any concern, you should definitely speak to a qualified homeopath for more detailed consultation and take your remedies accordingly as well. So one of the greatest medicines or remedies we use for bloating is called carboveg, which is very effective for belching, with shortness of breath, and also gas and bloating. Abis canadensis is used for painful bloating, along with heart palpitation. So if you've got heart palpitation, shortness of breath, and also too much pain in your stomach, cramps in your stomach, the medicine that can help you better is called Abis canadensis. Some patients, they always complain about trapped gas or unreleased gas. So their choice of medicine would be Raphinus. China is another great medicine which can help people who have got too much fullness, tightness, pain, or heaviness in their abdomen. Graphitis can help with bloating due to chronic constipation. And finally, we have got another top grade remedy in homeopathy, which is called Lycopodium, which is used for bloating and flatulence, especially after eating starchy or rich foods. So you have to see that what kind of symptoms you've got, and accordingly, if you choose the right remedy, you will get great results. Many people complain that they don't get proper results or benefits from homeopathic remedies. The reason is they don't match their symptoms with the right medicines. So normally they go for self-medication. They can follow any person who on YouTube's, on TikTok, who are not qualified and they haven't got any experience, and they simply follow their basic information and start taking medicines without proper consultation, and sometimes they don't get results. But if you match your symptoms with the properties of the medicine, or if you consult a proper qualified homeopath, you will get the best medicine and you can have better results as well. Also, please consider homeopathic remedies either in 30C or 200 potency, and make sure to take them as in pills directly in your mouth and let them melt. So try not to take the drops directly on the tongue. Rather, ask a local pharmacist and ask them to give you medication in pills forms. So simply take these sweet granules, 4 or 5 granules at a time, up to 3 or 4 times a day. Take it for a few weeks and see how you feel. If the results are great, you can continue with the same remedies for a few months until your problem is completely cured. Otherwise, if you're not getting any benefit, it means you're not taking the right remedy. So you need to reconsider all your symptoms, discuss with somebody who knows about homeopathy, and take medication accordingly for better results as well. So thank you very much for watching, and if you need some further help or advice, you can visit our website, which is mindbodyheal.co.uk, or you can visit our clinic in Birmingham. And if you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share among your contacts as well. And if you need any further help or advice, you can always contact our clinic in Birmingham, and we'll be happy to help and advise. Thank you very much, and I will see you again with another topic very soon in this channel. If you need any help or you've got any question, you can always leave in the comment box. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.